Namaskar student. In this video, we will be discussing what all is included in the first two pages of passport and what all is included in the last two pages of passport. So this is a picture of a sample passport which I got it from this website immigrationhelp.com. So let us discuss. This is the sample. So let us discuss what all is included in the first two pages. These are the first two pages. These are the first two pages of the passport. Then below is the picture of the last two pages of the passports. Let's discuss one by one what all is included in the first two pages of passport and what all is included in the second last two pages of the passport. Every passport is having a type of passport. Here it is written P. The meaning of P is personal. I told you that passport, there are three types of passport. One is ordinary passport, then diplomatic passport, then VVIP passport. So here P means the personal. This is the personal passport of this lady. So that's why it is written as P. Then country code. It is written IND. It means this passport is being issued by India. The passport, if basically this is passport is a necessary document if you want to travel abroad. Abroad means if you want to leave the boundaries of your own country, boundaries of your own country, and want to enter in another country and want to enter in another country. So then passport is required, but sometimes people do not use it for the traveling purpose. If you are not traveling to anyone, you can use it as an identity proof. Identity proof, basically this tell about your citizenship. So this particular IND tells that this particular lady belongs to India. Then every passport is having a passport number. Now see, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is an 8-digit unique passport number, and the first number is being denoted by a letter, then there is a number. So every passport is having a passport number of at least 8 digit. Passport number of 8 digit. And this passport number is also punched over here. If you will see it clearly, this is the picture, so it is not visible here. So this is punched in whole of the booklet. So from the punched booklet you can also see the passport number. Then every passport is having the given name of the person, and then the first name of the person, and then the given name of the person. Like in this case, the name of this lady is Rama Dugula, and the given name is Sita Mahalakshmi. So this is basically the surname, and here it is given as the given name. So surname, for example, someone's name is Ram Singh. So Singh is his surname. So Singh will come here, and Ram will come here. And and this may be the case if he writes his name as Ram Singh. There is no surname. So then in that case, Ram Singh will come here. Singh. Okay, so the surname is here and the given name is here. Then nationality is Indian. So I told you that this tells about the citizenship of a person. So then this lady belongs to the Indian. Then the sex, either he is a male, female, or transgender. That particular letter is mentioned here. F, M, and T, transgender T, female, female, and male. Then date of birth. Your date of birth is clearly mentioned on your passport. So this is the date of birth is also mentioned in the first two pages of the passport. Then there is a place of birth. So while on the passport, the place of birth is also mentioned. This place of birth is Gundugolanu. So this might be a place. This is the place of birth. For example, somebody has taken a birth in Chandigarh, so the Chandigarh would be mentioned here. So the place of birth would be mentioned here. Then the place of issue, from where the passport is issued. Place of issue, Hyderabad. This passport has been issued by Regional Passport Office. Regional Passport Office, Hyderabad. So the place of issue of passport is mentioned here. Then the date of issue, date of issue of passport, and date of expiry. Nowadays, the passports are valid for 10 years. So you can see that this passport is issued on 11th and 10th 2011 and valid up to 10/10/2021. In case of minor, the passports are issued for 5 years. So date of issue and date of expiry would be mentioned here. Then the picture of the person's passport, applicant's passport, and the signature column, and the signature RS Lakshmi. The signatures are also there. Then this particular detail basically tells us about, this is the passport number and this is the file number of that particular lady. So this P is personal passport. This is basically the Sita Mahalakshmi. This is the surname and the given name of the lady. So this whole detail is also here on this passport. So this all detail is included in the first page of the passport. Similarly, the second page, this basically Republic of India, that this passport is the property of the Indian government, and that sort of thing is written here. And then the signature of the regional passport officer, that is there, and then the stamp is also there. So these things are included in the first two pages of passport. Now let us see what all is included in the last two pages of the passport. Basically, the last two pages of the passport, that is there are two things which are there. One is the relationship status, and the another one is the address. And the third thing is also there, that is the file number or the previous passport number. File number or previous passport number. These details are available on the last two pages of the passport. Like here you can see the name of father and or the name of legal guardian. So the father's name, this is the passport number which I was telling you, which is punched on the entire passport. This is the punched passport number. So the father's name, I'm not able to read the full name of the father, as in South India they include the grandfathers, fathers, that sort of name. So it is a big name, so I'm not able to read it. So but this column belongs to the father's name. Then another one is the name of mother. Similarly, father's name, mother's name, the mother's name is also there. Then the name of the spouse. In case of husband, the wife's name would be here, and in case of wife, the husband name would be here. So these three things tells about the relationship status of the applicant: father's name, mother's name, and spouse name. These three things would be there. In case of child, the spouse name would be left blank, but the father's name and mother's name would be there on the passport. Then the address. address on which the applicant has the current residence address, about which the proof the applicant has submitted the proof. So these things, these three lines are related to the address page of the applicant. Then there is the file number. This is the file number. If the person has applied a passport for the first time, then the file number would be there. And if they have like you can see the above line, this is the old passport number. If the person has reissued his passport, then the old passport number would be here on this particular column. So this is the last page of the passport. So these two pages are very important in passport, and this contains lot of information. So thank you very much for now. We will meet in the next video. Thank you very much.